Let's see what's the upcoming events we have for October. I know many of you will talk about Halloween, but let's just ask Google and see what they say to us. So October events in US. I'll target the USA market for sure. So okay, upcoming events in United States. Let's see what they says to us, and we'll decide which one to go for. No, I think this page is not interesting. Let's go for another one. Festival holidays. I think this will give us some more relevant results. So, National Hispanic Heritage Month. It says the time between September 15 to October 15. So, it is something that says National Hispanic Heritage Month. It is some sort of a traditional thing. I will probably skip this for a while now because my goal is to go for one niche. So I won't just go for each and every. Okay, so it says the next one is Halloween. We all know about Halloween. I'm just trying to go for something different rather than Halloween because you already know how to go for Halloween. Just type the Halloween keyword and then dig and dig and dig. But I'll try to go for something more unique. This one is in my mind. That is Hispanic Heritage Month, but let's see what other sites refer us. Okay, this is interesting. No, no, this is more of an historical data. I don't want that. And this will take a little bit time because the niche features is not a matter of minute. You can just you can't just go and grab a niche and upload a design and that will make sales. You can't just expect this will happen to each and every time. So we have to take our time and be a little patient in this step. So I hope you guys will stay till the end with this niche research process with me. So let's see what this says. Oh, okay. I think this one gives some good results. So the first one is World Vegetarian Day, then World Smile Day. This one is uh, feel something that I can keep a note of. Now, I will just keep the keyword in one note sheet. So let's pick a notepad and I'll keep the keyword here. So the World Smile Day that appeals to me, so I keep that for later investigation. But now just move on to the list. Then it says International Music Day, International Hair Day, Coffee Day, International Coffee Day. I think it's something that's also appeal to me, but now skip that for a while. So National Custodian Day, so on, National Taco Day, Mean Girls Day, National Boyfriend Day. That is interesting. World Animal Day. So I guess this is something you can keep for a while, think and investigate further. And World Teachers Day. This is something I think you just don't want to miss. So I will just keep this at the top now. Then moving on to the list for further, then it says Navaratri. I think it's something related to the Hindu religion festivals. And then it says Leif Erikson Day. Then World Mental Health Day. This is also something I can keep into my list for a while. So I have pasted it here. And then it says Native Americans Day. So something more like a patriotic thing. I'll also keep this in my list for a while. And then Farmers Day. So obviously this is an important thing to focus. Farmers Day and National Desert Day, and moving forward, Sweetest Day, World Food Day. Uh, National Pasta Day, Alaska Day. I will also keep this in my sheet. Okay, and Alaska Day. Guys, these are these keyword that I'm picking and storing to my sheet or list for a while to cross check and decide further. The picking method here is totally up to you. It's something based on your experience with March by Amazon. I know some of you will be complaining. Okay, so I'm not pro with March by Amazon. How do I feel confident about a particular keyword that might make sale? It you will learn this eventually by day. So if till now, if I have picked uh, how many say 7 keywords here, uh, you probably take 2 keywords because you are less experienced, but eventually when you learn, you will be more used to with this process, like which keywords to pick and which keywords to go for. And if you are confident, not too much confident, then just go each of the one. That's how you learn. I won't mind go for each and every one that feels to me that it might be a good niche to go for. But day by day you learn this process and you will be more expertise in picking the keywords and filtering the keywords more efficiently and not picking all of them. All right, so yeah, let's move on with the list. And now, if I can see here is okay, National Pumpkin Day. So it's more related to the fall autumn season and the Halloween stuffs. So National Pumpkin Day, but I'll still this I mean keep this in my list for sure. So and then National First Responders Day, I'm not interested. National Cat Day. Obviously this will be a bigger niche to hit, but you can pick this in and keep in your list for sure. Oh no, I made a mistake here. Sorry. Okay. National Cat Day. I'll keep this in my list. Now moving forward. In the end, we have Halloween. Not interested for a while because I want to show you something unique. So yes, I've got few keywords in my list. Now let's decide which one I should go and show you how to dig further for a sellable niche.